Hey guys, this is me Abdurrahman from Lvato hosting platform. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to install any script. So now what you will do, you will log into your my Lvato account. Then you will click to services. From the services, now you will click to manage a account. Now it will load this page over here. Now you will scroll down. Now from here you will open your hosting panel from here. Then you will copy this username and then you will paste that here, and then you will copy your password from here and then you will paste that here. Now you will click to sign me in. Now as you are logged in, now what you will do, first of all, now as per your developer or the vendor from which you bought, they must provided you with a docs file. So now we will, as per our developer, we will choose a PHP version. In my case, my developer said I have to choose 8.1 PHP version. So now how I will use, I will scroll down. From here I will click to change PHP version. Now from here, it by default it will have 7.4 or 7.0. You will click to 8.1, then you will click to change PHP version. Now it has been changed. Let's go back to home page. From here our developer must ask us, in case he want us to run a installer, we need to have these details. So now I will open my SQL page here. Let me open this in another window also. So now here you can see customer already created a database. So what we can do, let's create another database. For example, I will give it name smart whatever. We will enter 6 letters here. Then I will click to generate a database. Now our database has been created. You not need to create any user which are here. You not need to create any user below. By default you can use this thing from here as database name, also as the username. So and this is the server or SQL host which you will replace with local host, which will your developer by default will tell you. So in our case, this is our database host, this is our database name, also this is our username, and this is our password. Now we will copy these details from here. We will keep them in a safe place. So now let's open the services overview. From here we will open file manager. Now this is our home directory. We will say this is our home directory. As you can see home icon, there is nothing given here extra. So now what I will do, I will go to public HTML folder, which will be folder that is connected to our domain by default. So how we will see that this folder is connected to our domain? So we can go to the back. Now from here, if you will see domains here, you can see this is the path which is connected to our domain. So we have the public HTML folder which is connected to our domain. Now I will do one thing, I will open this folder. So now there are some files. I will click to delete and then I will click to confirm and delete. So by default there will be one file. So this was the files of a customer, so I deleted them as he provided with me with the script. So now this folder should be empty. Now what you will do, you will click to upload. Now from here you will drag and drop your file which you want to upload. Now I selected the file, and now what I will do, I will click to upload. So it will start uploading. So now we have to wait for this file to upload. While it's uploading, I will tell you another thing, which is sometimes your script not have a built-in installer. So in that case what you have to do, so then you need to find a config file. So it will be like config.php. in most cases config.php, it could be in the same folder or it could be in the includes folder. So mostly developer paste in the includes folder, or also it could be in a config .config folder. Also it could be in a config, or in, you can say, public .config, or it could be also as .env file. So in both cases you have to find that file. You can also search that file from here after we extract this. So then you have to file that file, and you will basically paste the data, like which is your username of database, password, server or host, and the database name which we created in the MySQL tab. So now our script has been uploaded. We will click to close here. Now I will right click of mouse and I will click the left button to extract here. So now it will start extracting process. Now we have to wait. So now script is uploaded. Now we will basically right click and left click to, and again left click to confirm, and this file will be deleted. So now what we will do, as this script has the install folder here, basically I will open this domain here or your domain, whatever is your domain, /install, then I will press the enter button. Now as you can see, our developer provided us with this installer. We have to read their terms and condition etc extra, then we will click to next steps. Now from here, as you can see, our script required 8.1 version and these extensions which we already installed. Now some developer or some scripts will require you to change the folder permission. So let's see how to change them. So this script already has that permissions to this folder, but I will show you how to do it. So let's open this window and go back to our script. So for example, this is our folder. I will right click of our mouse and I will click the permissions tab with the left click. Then I can change these permissions as I want, as developer asked us. So in our case, if we see, developer asked us to change to 775 this folder, so we will go to that locations, then we will basically type the 775. so I was just showing you. So for example, if the script node had that permission, I could go to this folder and I will change. For example, this is 775. I will open with the right and left click, then I will choose with the left click and I will again press the left click to apply the permission. That's how we change the permission. So now I will basically go to the next step of this installation process. Now as you can see, we go to the information page where we need to fill these info. So now the developer must ask you to enter the database details so he can import the database into the website database which we have, and that database will be connected to your website files, so the process can start happening. So your website will start working after this process. Now here in our case, our developer is saying you have this URL which he already detected. We not have to change that. Now we have to fill these details, database name, host. So now let's copy these details from our website. So we will go to the folder and we will go back, and then again we will go to the MySQL database. From here we will copy these details over here. So I will copy this, I will paste that here. So this is the database host. In our case, this could be as MySQL host, database host, or server. So these are the common names. Mostly developer has local host here. pre-filled, but you have to remove in our, if you are using our hosting or especially the StackCP. So now what you will do, you will again go to this page and you will copy this name over here, which is, make sure you not copy any space or extra, make sure you can verify that. So this also not have any space, you can see. So now I filled these details, I also have to enter the password. So now I will basically generate a new password as we not copied. So we can basically generate a new password from here and we can save that. So let me do it. Now I basically change that password. So I will go to this tab over here and I will basically enter my password. Now I entered that password here. Then I will do one thing, I will choose the strong username, which could always as the admin, and I will choose the admin email as this one. So in my case, so I will basically copy these details, admin and admin. Then I will, maybe it could have 6 letters, so I will click to install now. Now as you can see, our script is installed successfully. So it will say like this message or any other type of message, or it could provide with you the information you filled or the details. So now we have to do one thing, which is to delete this folder from our website. So developer tell you to delete the install folder or installation file, he must tell you to delete the folder, so any other person cannot run that file again. Now we will basically come back to this folder here. So as the public HTML is our main folder, so it has the install folder here. I will basically right click on this one and I will left click to delete and again left click to confirm the deletion. So now it's deleted and our script is installed. This is the extra thing. Basically after the installation of script, you also have to basically install the SSL. Most cases you guys not install the SSLs and it could lead to serious security risks. So you will basically on the home page, you will scroll down and you will go to the SSL/TLS. So from here it will show you to activate the SSL, so free SSL. You will basically do that. Also you can force is to redirect to HTTPS, so any user cannot go to HTTP. Some of scripts may require you to set up the schedule tasks or cron jobs. So what you will do on the home page, you will click to schedule tasks over here. Then you will enter the command which is provided by your developer here, like this. In my case, this is the command. I will paste that over here. So I will set up a date or time period after it will recurring time. Then I will basically click to save task. So now I have to test it. So in some cases it not output, it doesn't mean that cron job is not running. So you will just add to click to save task and that will be set up. So this is how we set up the cron jobs. So if you have any further question, you can open a support ticket.